What's up? Yeah. Yeah, totally. Of course. Oh my gosh. Everyone, we got a new silver play button order. Let's get to it. Actually, finally. Okay, Johnson, I need you on engraving duty. Scotty, I need you on molding duty. And Greg, you just do whatever you do, man.
Sounds good.
If this YouTuber doesn't get their play button as fast as possible, our company will be ruined. Okay, what is the status quo this week on silver play buttons? 972, sir. Okay, a little below normal, but we'll recover. Gold, 546. Okay, sounds good. And, Johnson, what's up? You spelled that creator's name wrong. Ah, really? Was it the first name, last name, numbers at the end? No. It's just minor thing. It's just that you put underscore lowercase x capital X plus equals the bluest furry ooh woo equals plus capital X lowercase x underscore instead of underscore capital X lowercase x plus equals the bluest furry ooh woo equals plus lowercase x capital X underscore. So